10 Best Quotes of Film Peeping Tom 1960. Peeping Tom. Michael Powell lays bare the cinema's dark voyeuristic underside in this disturbing 1960 psychodrama thriller. Handsome young Carl Bohm is Mark Lewis, a shy, socially clumsy young man shaped by the psychic scars of an emotionally abusive parent, in this case a psychologist father, Michael Powell in a perverse cameo, who subjected his son to nightmarish experiments in fear and recorded every interaction with a movie camera. Now Mark continues his father's work, sadistically killing young women with a phallic-like blade attached to his movie camera and filming their final, terrified moments for his definitive documentary on fear. Set in contemporary London, which Powell evokes in a lush, colourful seediness, this film presents Mark as much victim as villain and implicates the audience in his scopophilic activities as we become the spectators to his snuff film screenings. Mark Lewis, do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear. Mr. Peters, got a question for you. Which magazine sells the most copies? Mark Lewis, those with girls on the front covers and no front covers on the girls. Vivian, what would frighten me to death? Set the mood for me, Mark. Mark Lewis, imagine someone coming towards you who wants to kill you, regardless of the consequences. Vivian, a madman? Mark Lewis, yes. But he knows it and you don't. Mrs. Stephens, I visit this room every night. Mark Lewis, visit? Mrs. Stephens, the blind always live in the rooms they live under. Journalist, what paper are you from? Mark Lewis, I beg your pardon. Journalist, I said, what paper are you from? Mark Lewis, oh. The Observer. Journalist, oh. Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear. This quote underscores the film's exploration of fear as a central theme. All this filming, it's not healthy. This line reflects the obsessive nature of the protagonist's compulsion to film his murders. Whatever I photograph, I always lose. This quote speaks to the protagonist's tragic sense of loss and the futility of his actions. Imagine someone coming towards you who wants to kill you, regardless of consequences. This chilling statement encapsulates the relentless and inevitable nature of the protagonist's violence. I'm recording it all, you see. Everything. Highlighting the protagonist's obsessive need to document every detail of his life and his crimes. Do you know what this is? It's a documentary. This line blurs the lines between reality and the protagonist's skewed perception of his actions. All this filming, I have to do it, reflects the compulsion and lack of control the protagonist feels over his actions. Mark, you're ill. This simple but powerful statement points to the mental instability driving the protagonist's actions.